my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video we're going to be doing a guys, I am so sorry for this AC unit sound. It was above the camera. I am so sorry, please excuse. Stamping of our Bath and Body Works candles. You know, sometimes our candles melt down all the way until they're like maybe 1 inch or 1/2 inch to completion, and we can't burn them anymore. So I've decided to take upon myself to show you guys what I'm going to do with my candles. Now this is the first time that I'm trying this, so this is like a kind of an experiment, but I'm pretty confident that we can do this. Now if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome, and if you like home decor, lifestyle vlogging, as well as fashion, I hope that you will consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this revamping of these candles. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and run through all of the scents that I've chosen to fuse together. These two candles are basically Gather and Frozen Lake. I'm going to fuse these two together. One is spicy and one is sweet. This one is kind of sweet, and this one is definitely like a spicy, kind of like a masculine smell. So yeah, these two I'm gonna fuse these two together. I'm also going to fuse the eucalyptus spearmint with the white pumpkin, and this one is a little spicy, and because of the spearmint it kind of makes this one a little sweet, so I like how these two pair together. So we're gonna go ahead and pair these two together. This one has about 1 inch of wax left inside of it, and the only reason why I'm going to go ahead and melt these down to wax cubes is because 2 of them would stay lit and 1 of them wouldn't, and it would be like this small, this one right here with the ring around it wouldn't stay lit, so it wasn't really burning good. So I'm gonna go ahead and melt that down, but I am going to infuse these 3 together because Balsam's Firewood, I don't think I went over this one. Balsam's Firewood is my second most liked Bath and Body Works candle. This one has about 1 inch left. This right here I'm going to go ahead and pair with these because Balsam's Firewood, when I tell you these are my favorite, they are my favorite, and you cannot find them right now on Bath and Body Works right now. They better come back out. If they discontinue this, I'm gonna be too hurt. Now this fall I picked up leaves, and it was recommended by a YouTuber. I can't remember exactly which one, but when I smelled it in the store I liked it, but when I burned it, it's okay. It ain't all that, but it can go in the bathroom and in a wax warmer, and I don't want to waste it because they had like this much left of one of it. Okay, so what happened with, I bought 2 of them, and one of them burned like the one that I just showed you, where one of the wicks stayed lit and the other one didn't. So every time I went to try to light it, I think 2 of the wicks wouldn't stay lit and just one of the wicks would stay lit. So once it burned all the way to whereas I can just take it and pour it into the other one, I did, because this one was almost down. This was, you know, up like a 1/2 inch left. So that's that. And then I have, these are not Bath and Body Works candles, but these are candles that I found at TJ Maxx. They were recommended by another YouTuber that I absolutely adore. Her name is I am Sharika B. Yeah, so she recommended the apple pumpkin by D.I.Y Homes, but the intense smell, and I couldn't find nothing but one, and it was a miniature one. So I just went ahead and picked up the regular scented candle, and they smell so good. If you're on a diet, you don't need to get this because this will make you just want something sweet, but these are really sweet. I'm thinking about just adding these to the leaves because the leaves is like spicy scent, so I might just go ahead and pour this in with the leaves candle and see how that comes out. Okay guys, so this is the wax warmer that I purchased to warm the wax in. That's actually the tray that the wax goes in. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I chose this color because it matches my bedroom. As you will see at the end of the video, I will show you where exactly I'll be putting this at. So yeah, I thought that this wax warmer was super cute. It was from Walmart for like $18. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I really did enjoy hanging out with you guys. I hope that you do consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. If you already are subscribed, I want to say thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope that you do have that notification bell on so that you'll know when I'm uploading my videos. I do have a batch left of the candle wax going right now. It is the thickest one, so it's gonna probably take a minute, so I'll come back with just footage of the final product when as this video is ending. I really do hope that y'all enjoy this kind of content. Let me know in the comments below if you do like this kind of content. I want to just tell y'all to be safe, be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.